Okay, so I got my Rushan RSTP5002 scale in the mail the other day, and I've been using it for a while, and it seems to be working pretty good. The summary is I think this measures 0.02 grams pretty consistently. This thing has a interesting. I learned some things about the specs on it. It has some numbers. There's a D number. D, that means display. It's 0.01 grams that the display reads. But then there's an E, an equal on this part of the specs on it, and that is 0.1 grams. That means what you can use it for. I guess for commerce. That's considered 1/10 of what the display is what you can use it for commerce. I think this is pretty accurate for within plus or minus 0.02 grams. It regularly reads in that range. That's my opinion. I'm a retired engineer, and I'm going to go through the process I did to kind of make that determination. Here is some of the data that I took, and it shows the different scales I took. And it gets a little funny when you start getting down these real small scales here, like 5 and 2 and 1 grams. I start getting 4.97, 1.97, and things like that. And I'm going to show you the process that I did. Just check and see. I bought me a standard of weights here to use, and along with the standard one that comes with the scale, and this is what I did. Okay, so first I'm going to push the calibration, hold this down, and it goes into calibration mode, and it just wants you to put the 500 gram weight on here, put it on there, and then it calibrates, and then so now it's done. 5 seconds, it's settled, so it's done with that. Okay, so we set that down there. And then I just went and I put these different weights on here and see how does it do. I'm really interested in like around 25 or 30 grams. But I thought, well, let me just check these other ones and see how it does. 100 grams is pretty good. 50 grams. And it seemed like it kind of marched right down these and just did really well. Only when I get down to the real small ones. This is a 5,000 gram scale, right? So you would expect some, the longer the scale, a little bit harder things have with linearity, I think, at least. And then so 20, I mean, both these 20s are right on. And then 10, this thinks it's going to show right on it. There you go, 10, right at 10. Okay, and then now you get down to 5, and things get a little interesting here. So 5, oh, got 5 right on that time. If you did it 5 or 6 times, you might get 5.01, might get 4.99. This is 2. Now we have two of these 4s, two of these ones for 2, so you get 2 of them together, 3.99. And then that one is 1.99. That one is 1.99. See, it's a little funny down in here. And if you add 1 on there, do you get 3? Yeah, it's a little funny. I'm not sure if the weights on these ones, my standards are a little bit funny, but it's really, really, really low on the scale of this whole thing. So the one I'm really interested in is, like 20, 25, 26 grams, because that's what I measure a lot. And so here's 25, 24.99, and we'll just go, that's 27 grams, that's 29 grams, and this is 30. So pretty good. I mean, if you fiddle around with these low grams, you'll get some numbers that'll go move around a little bit, like I did here. You can see I got 4.97, 1.97, and then and if you go and you add 100 grams on here, it seems to do okay too. It holds that, and put the 500 on there, and so 630 grams is quite accurate. In all of my measurements, I took 92 measurements, and when I did my kind of analysis of it here with these different scales, and I got 3 readings that were out of those 92. One time it was 0.03 high, one time 0.04 high. So I mean, I wonder if did I have my calibration? Did I not do my calibration right or something? But I would recommend in using this scale. I've seen this a couple times. When you turn it on and use it for a while, keep your eye on this down over here just to see if it. Sometimes you might need to. I use it for a while, and then it shows up here early on. Like I've been doing this a couple minutes now, right? And just keep it. Might have to hit the tare again, and then I don't see it happen anymore. It might be a 0.05 or something in there, or 0.03 or something, and then it seems like maybe it's a warm up thing, but seems pretty good to me. And accurate to 0.02, I would say. So I'm pretty happy with it. I've not done anything with the RS232 to read the printer port on there, but seemed like a pretty good scale, accurate to within plus or minus 0.02 grams, in my opinion. God bless you. Have a great day.